XCMG has established a global collaborative research platform, including national-level R&D facilities focused on advanced smart manufacturing technology. Our R&D team consists of top talents from around the globe. They are researching cutting-edge technologies and high-end parts. Our work has earned us numerous national patents and awards. At XCMG, our core standard of leading technology, everlasting products resonates throughout the company. We live for quality and regard it as essential to our integrity as a business. Everything we do is centered around customer satisfaction and rooted in continuous improvement. With our industry-leading manufacturing processes, our wealth of sophisticated equipment, our environmentally friendly manufacturing approach, and our independent distribution of our core parts, we have created a worldwide chain of advanced manufacturing facilities. Together, they provide the manufacturing excellence for building a better world. Our system of 4 key machinery parts, hydraulics, transmissions, smart control and movement, give us a comprehensive coverage. Our superior R&D, manufacturing and management, and our digital, online and smart services underpin our brand and offer real value to our customers. From digital R&D, virtual simulation, smart production lines, and smart equipment interconnectivity to our full life cycle product services, XCMG's smart manufacturing capabilities are at the forefront of the industry. At XCMG, our 5-continent sales network gives our products worldwide visibility. Our reach includes 300 overseas distributors, our Brazilian manufacturing center, 12 other overseas manufacturing centers, and KD factories, and products in more than 180 countries and regions. We supply our global customers with pre-sales, mid-sales, and after-sales service, and a convenient, efficient one-stop financing and leasing service. XCMG's total annual exports and overseas income consistently come top of the industry in China. XCMG has the most comprehensive product line, meaning we can offer fully comprehensive solutions in 13 areas: hoisting, earthwork, road building and maintenance, mining, concrete and paving, tunnel building and underground construction, high-altitude firefighting equipment and special-purpose vehicles, railway and bridge construction, sanitation engineering, hydraulic transmission systems, integrated smart manufacturing, construction machinery financing and leasing plans, and assembly. All these solutions can be customized to suit our customers' needs. We represent the best of Chinese industry, and we will work hard to maintain this reputation. XCMG is well on its way to conquering its Everest in the manufacturing industry. Our great organization, great cooperation, and great values have created an enduring brand and a national treasure. The model of global resource integration is creating sweeping changes in transnational cooperation, and our company is experiencing renewed vitality after more than 80 years of operation. The Belt and Road Initiative is blossoming, and the strength of this dream is leading XCMG and the world forward together. Standing tall, turning obstacles into roads, creating new buildings, and expanding across the world. Today, the name XCMG can be seen in every corner of the world. A stainless steel squadron serving as the backbone of Chinese industry in the manufacturing sector worldwide. We journey onward through the wind and the rain, whatever obstacles we encounter on our path, never slowing our pace and never deviating from our course. XCMG's success is rooted in its strong foundations. Best practices adopted from the party helped mold XCMG's corporate culture, nurture a group of top entrepreneurial talents, and forge an exceptionally strong team. Ever since, XCMG staff have always embodied the same founding spirit of quality craftsmanship and the pursuit of greatness. Behind each medal of achievement lies a story of hard work and devotion. XCMG is a place of pursuing dreams and also of nurturing them. we care deeply for the welfare of our people. We support numerous charitable causes and are quick to the scene during disaster relief efforts. XCMG has always worked closely together with our country for the benefit of its people. Love is the foundation, and culture inspires us to dream. For a better tomorrow, we must explore sustainability to benefit both people and the environment. Loyalty, courage, perseverance, and responsibility are the building blocks of XCMG's character. Rigor, strength, progressiveness, and innovation make up XCMG's spirit. A great enterprise is founded on great ambitions. XCMG's ambition leads us forever forwards